In this video, we're going to go over how to divide fractions. So if I give you the question 2 over 3 divided by 4 over 5, and I told you to find the answer, how would you do that? Well, I want you to remember the keep, change, flip rule. And that rule basically states that we're going to keep the first fraction the same, so it's going to stay 2 over 3. We're going to change the sign, so instead of division, we're going to multiply, and then we're going to flip the second fraction. So instead of 4 over 5, we're going to have 5 over 4. And so then you simply multiply the numerators and you multiply the denominators. So 2 times 5 is equal to 10. And then 3 times 4 is going to be equal to 12. And now we can simplify this fraction. So we divide the numerator and the denominator by 2. And we're going to get 5 over 6. And that's our final answer. So 2 over 3 divided by 4 over 5 is equal to 5 over 6. Let's try one more problem, and feel free to pause the video and try it on your own. But this time, let's try 3 over 4 divided by 2 over 7. 3 over 4 divided by 2 over 7. Now pause the video and try it on your own. But when you come back, you'll see once again, we simply follow the keep, change, flip rule. We're going to keep 3 over 4 the same. We're going to change the sign from division to multiplication. And then we're going to flip the second fraction from 2 over 7 to 7 over 2. And then now we simply multiply the numerators and the denominators together. So 3 times 7 is equal to 21. And then 4 times 2 is equal to 8. And we get an improper fraction of 21 over 8. So 3 over 4 divided by 2 over 7 is equal to 21 over 8. Now I know I said we had one more problem, but let's actually try one last one. And this time I'm going to give you a whole number. So let's say I gave you 5 divided by 2 over 3. How would you solve this? Well, it's really not that complicated. We just have to make 5 a fraction. So 5 is the same as 5 over 1. Now 5 over 1 divided by 2 over 3. Now we can use our keep, change, flip rule. We're going to keep 5 over 1 the same. We're going to change division to multiplication. And then we're going to flip 2 over 3 to 3 over 2. And now we can multiply the numerators and the denominators together. 5 times 3 is going to be equal to 15. And then 1 times 2 is going to be equal to 2. And once again, we get an improper fraction. So 5 divided by 2 over 3 is equal to 15 over 2. Now, a common mistake students will make is that they'll forget to flip the second fraction. Don't do this. This is the most important step. You have to multiply and then you have to flip the second fraction. I hope this video helped. Thank you.